Hey everyone, this is MC Barber here. I have a curly haircut for you, a low fade with a curly cut. This is the request I got, and here it is. This gentleman has his first time client here. He has pretty curly hair and it's slightly out of shape. As you can see, the crown is very short. It's cut pretty high as well. And there is kind of no shape to his haircut. Curly hair, you really have to consider the shape more than you do in the straight hair. It's because the curly hair, the way you cut it pretty much is the way it's going to stay. There is not much that you can do easy with curly hair. So you really have to consider the shape. So here, as you can see, as usually, I'm using 1.5 with my heavy-duty clippers. These are Octane by Osters. I get that question a lot, asking me what clipper it is. It's a nice clipper. So here I'm removing the bulk and creating the foundation for my fade, as well creating the foundation for the whole hairstyle. I really am considering the shape of the head and of the hairstyle that I'm going to create with the first cut here. So as you can see here, I didn't go very high on the back. I'm trying to leave that full. So I kept it low. I didn't go as high as the previous barber went. And I personally believe that should be even slightly longer, but it is what it is right now. Now I'm starting with 6 zeros here on my fade, and I'm keeping it very low, as you can see. I don't want to go very high. The space where I have to fade is not really big, so from above the ear to the area where the hair gets very long, it's not very big, so that's when you determine whether you want your fade to go high or medium or low, so you can have that nice transition and nice fade. Now, as usually, I'm doing the same thing as in every other video. I'm fading. My fading system is really very simple, honestly. I train people in my barbershop all the time, from the apprentice that come to work with me to the apprentices that come for 40 hours of apprenticeship program. And my own barbers, I teach them my fading system. It's such an easy system to fade. It takes literally minutes to do a fade, and you get really high quality. So it's really a pretty easy way. But I think what makes it so easy is the fact that the 1.5, that removes the bulk, creates the foundation for your fade, and then all you have to do is fade from whatever it is, whether it's 0 or half or 1 or whatever number might be, to 1.5. So it really is pretty simple. As you can see here, I went from 5 zeros to 1.5 literally in minutes on the back. So that's how you do it. There is different ways to go about it. You can go you can start your fade with 6 zeros, then you can go with 1 as I'm using here, then half, then open blade, and so on, connect your fade. On the curly hair like this, sometimes to catch some hairs that stay behind, I like to use that 1.5 that I just used, the white guard. That's basically 1.5. Just because the teeth on the guard are so wide, so it doesn't push the hair away and allows me to work easier. Shout outs to my friend Jason Cozart. He's actually the one who shot this video. He was here from West Virginia taking my apprenticeship program, 40 hours. What a nice gentleman he is. I wish him a lot of success back home in West Virginia. So here I'm still working on my fade. I'm keeping it very low, as you can see. I'm not going very high. I want to keep this very low fade with you know, curly hair, nice shape. So my competition is getting closer for Paris, France. Just to update you, still don't have a sponsor. It's kind of unfortunate, but it's okay. I mean, I'm doing good. I have, you know, I'm all set with that anyway. But regarding my progress, it's going good. I am starting to feel better. There is so much work for that competition. It's unreal. I was told that you need 2 years to prepare for a classic, and I thought that was crazy. So I thought I could do it in less time than that, and I started literally 9 months ago. Well, I didn't have any choice anyway. So I'm gonna do it in 1 year, and I really think I'll do well. I mean, I feel very good right now. The way my training is going, I see my coach once a week, and it's been going good. So wish me success. I think it's gonna go well. And I'll keep you updated, and hopefully I'll see if I can do it live on the day of competition. If I can go live on YouTube or Facebook. So make sure to follow me on Facebook, MC Barber. It's September 17th. Facebook or Instagram, most likely, that I will be live on. So the Instagram is the MC Barber, and Facebook is MC Barber. So you can actually go through all my social media through my website, mcbarber.com. So for updates and day of competition, follow me on my social media, and that way you can watch me compete live in Paris, France. Alright, so as you can see, he's got a lot of curly hair. What I'm gonna do here, I wanna keep most of it. He wants to keep his curls, but I have to reshape it. So I'm gonna part it right on middle and comb it to each side, as you can see there. I mean, you can't get a good shot, but there you go. There you go. See, and then I'm gonna kind of cut it, as you can see on the sides. I am taking sections there and bringing it to a kind of stationary guide. Then I'm going to take my razor and kind of lighten it up a little bit, remove some of that bulk and weight, but try to keep the length here. Now I'm not removing the length, I just got rid of the length. No hair was passing by that point anymore, so now I'm just going to kind of remove the weight and connect that top with the sides. I'm using here sifter style Tondeo razor. It's German made. It's made from highest stainless steel. It's made from stainless steel. It's really from highest quality. It is very nice razor. Over the years, I used many different razors from mostly Tondeo, but as well Dovo. I tried here. Some of my barbers had them until I brought this one, and everybody switched to this one because this is really one of the nicest razors that you can use. The shape of the handle is very good. It's round, so it's easy to rotate in your fingers when you need to change the angle. Because razor cutting is all about angles, how you use your, at which angle is your blade. As well, it has a screw instead of a pin between the handle and the razor holder part. So it's very important over the time. What happens with these razors? The pin gets simply loose, and if you do not have a screw to tighten it, what we used to do, we simply used to like kind of bang it with a hammer, and then you know, it would get a little tighter, but then with ruin the razor. You can only do that a couple of times, and it you know, it destroys the razor. You really can't, you know, you gotta get a new one. This one, I first got it like about a year and a few months ago, maybe actually a year and a half ago, and honestly, it's as good as the day I got it. It really is a nice razor. So we have them. They are. We actually only have limited number left. Maybe like maybe a little over 50. But after that, I don't think I will be able to get them anymore because it was a special edition or limited edition by Tondeo company. So I bought the whole inventory they have. Simply, I love the razor. So here you go, guys. This is your before and after. You can see the before. Really, it was not blended well. It was cut way too high. There was no shape. And here is your end. I mean, you have low fade. You can see the shape even on the crown area is fuller now. It's not, you know, simply flat. And you have the top. You can see the top. Really, the gentleman has really nice curls. And the haircut actually has nice shape now, as you can see, sides and the top. So it looks very nice. Alright, guys, it was really nice making this video for you. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for next videos and events that are coming up. Right now we are actually doing a 40-hour apprenticeship program in our barbershop for barbers from around the country who like to come and learn hands-on MC Barber system that allows you basically to do any haircut in less than 20 minutes. And how that simply works is you bring all your tools. Actually, it's on my website on the page that is workshops. So if you go on mcbarber.com and go to a workshop page, it tells you what you need to bring, what type of tools and what you need to have. And then how it works, basically you set up a station right next to me and you shadow me throughout the day. Ask any questions that you like, and I coach you through executing all these techniques that you see me do in these videos. And then at the end of the day, you get half an hour with me one-on-one, really, you know, answering any questions you have or helping you with any technique that you might have difficulty with. And within the 40 hours or 5 days, basically from Tuesday through Saturday 9 to 6, you will be surprised how much you can learn of my system. Thanks for watching. Take care. Until next time.